Hey, it's Dr. Mo here again at Fairfax Chiropractic Care Center. We got Miss Elizabeth here. She's a teacher. She's got upper, lower back, mid back, all the stress of the kids, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and treat her today. We're going to do a full body adjustment. She just got muscle stem, so that's just finishing. Then we'll do some soft tissue work after the adjustments. So let's go face down for me. And last week you got a car accident, right? Last week?
Yes.
All right, so here we go. All right, deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Let's have this side up for me. Facing this way. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Don't even wait for me. Perfect. Same thing, other side.
Mm-hmm.
Deep breath for me. Oh, nice. That was very good. Go face up for me. You haven't got any headaches after the accident, did you?
For like 2 days, I had
Okay.
a bit of a headache, but I think it was allergy related.
Got it. Okay, next step. Here we go. That was locked up. Let's go face down for me. Good. Now you're even. So we're going to do soft tissue work after this, and then we're going to put on a vibration plate. And that'll be your last treatment.